In this video we are going to show you the contents of our dent relief kit. Inside there are 3 pads which are Kevlar lined. There's a small, medium and a large.
Okay.
2 hardwood backing plates. A swage or bodyline tool. And an air regulator. The bodyline or swage line tool has a slight curve, so the longer end curves to the back, so this would be the end that comes in contact with the inside of the panel, so when you inflate against the flat backing, these ends don't dent the inside of the panel.
The Flatpad system was developed to reduce large-sized dents in just a few minutes. Bodywork. The Flatpad pillows are made out of vulcanized rubber and reinforced with Kevlar fibers. The pillows are specially made to resist to 25 bars of pressure. In the event of a cut, the Kevlar fibers will resist any tendency to explode of the Flatpad pillow. The kit contains 3 different sizes of flat pads, allowing you to work on even the most complicated section of car body. During the repair operation, and at a working pressure of only 5 to 6 bars of pressure, the Flatpad pillows generate a pressing force up to 2.5 T. With supplied air fill gun, this pressing power can easily be controlled. The Flatpad system is unique on the market due to its very complicated but specific production technology. The idea is to reduce the dented area of car body panels down to 90%. The system is very easy to use, and it takes only a few minutes to get an impressive result. The backside of the damaged car body panel first has to be stripped. Then choose which Flatpad pillow is suitable depending on access and size of the damage. Sometimes it can be simpler to use 2 pillows at the same time. When there is no reinforcement brace in the backside of the car body panel, take one of the wooden supports supplied in the kit to create a counterforce for the Flatpad pillow. Connect the pillow of the Flatpad to the air fill gun. Slowly start to inflate the Flatpad and check the result on the outside of the panel. If the panel is back to its original shape, the metal should be stress released by using a car body hammer. During this operation, the Flatpad pillow should be left inflated. The inflated Flatpad will act like a dolly, helping to perform correctly any minor final body work. Final finishing work can be done at this stage with a sliding hammer or car body hammer, still leaving the Flatpad pillow inflated. Flatpad pillows can even be left inside the car body panel during welding, as they are not damaged by the heat. Again, the Flatpad pillow acts as a support during the whole repair process, holding the proper shape of the panel during the whole repair operation. Once the repair is done, the Flatpad pillow can be removed from the inside. Using this system, a whole lot of time is saved.